Good everything, and welcome back to Tesla's Wild. Today we have a pretty fun video for all of you. I just noticed in the paper today, actually my mom noticed in the paper today, because I don't read the paper, that there was an EV event happening in Golden, Colorado. It was just a EV owners kind of meet and greet, and anybody could stop by and talk to EV owners about their vehicles. So we've actually arrived here. We're at the end of it, so it's kind of winding down, but there are some pretty cool vehicles here. So let's go check it out. Right, so as you can see, we're at the electric vehicle roundup, and we have a nice electric vehicles only sign over here. Plenty of Teslas, Bolts, i3s, and this awesome Porsche in front of me that we're going to explore a little bit more here. Right, so let's check out some of the EVs here. Of course, this is Nico. We got some nice solar right behind us here. Right here we have a Chevy plug-in hybrid minivan. You can see the plug right in the front corner right here. Got a nice Model S here with a cool vanity plate. The Tez. We have another Model 3, the same color as Nico. And we have a nice Model S here with a dog inside of it. How's it going? So you had a pretty cool like tent thing up? What is that?
It's just the hedge tent.
It is, okay. And it just kind of drapes over.
I forget your name. I've seen you on YouTube.
You have, Colin.
Colin.
Yes,
okay.
You've seen me on YouTube. How about that? There you go.
Sorry, we just took that down.
No, that's okay. And here we have a BMW i3 surrounded by a self-built electric bicycle, along with a self-built electric mountain board and a self-built electric longboard. Pretty darn cool stuff. Next to that, we have another blue Model 3. All of the Model 3s here today are blue. This is a real estate office. As you can see, they have EV chargers there, and they also have EV chargers against the wall. All right, so I'm here with Brandon Joker, and they have this awesome company called High Voltage Customs, and they basically build customized electric mountain boards, longboards, anything that's smaller than a car for right now, but they are eventually looking to move into cars in the future. So what can you tell me about this?
So we're on the platform of an MBS Pro 95.
Okay.
Our batteries are 12S5, 18650 30Q.
Okay.
Two VSCs, Foxbox made by Inertian, 65 or 63, 65, 200 kV motors, belt driven. Lightning powered death machine.
So about how many miles of range do you get out of them?
On this one I get about 20, 25, you know, if I'm riding it like a regular skateboard, but
okay.
If I'm going, you know, balls to the walls, probably about 15, 20.
15, 20 miles? So what would this cost somebody?
You're looking at about $1,500 to $1,800.
Okay. And you can take it off-road?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can take it off-road. I can switch tires out to some knobby tires for anything you want to do.
Sick, man. Right on. Seems like you guys are doing some fun stuff, and I'll definitely have to keep a lookout for you guys in the future here.
Man.
Yeah. All right, so he's going to do a quick demo for us to see how badass this thing is. I rode it for a second. The torque is nuts, and it's set up in a regular configuration, and I ride goofy, which so that was something to get used to, but he can build it in any way that you want.
The value proposition just is not there when the MSRP of this car,
That is so sick. It's damn quick. Look at that thing go. That's so insane. He's just riding it around the roundabouts like it's no big deal. Just cruising with traffic. How sick is that? That was dope, man. Thank you so much. So yeah, as you can see here, it's a 1972 Porsche 914 converted to electric by the owner right here. It does have an electric badging as well as the Porsche badging on the side here. Probably one of the coolest things I've ever seen. So it's got the conversion kit over here, different sorts of things. Is that coolant? Interesting. Wow, so he's got all sorts of MacGyver things here. We got a Tupperware, we got a Gatorade bottle, got more Tupperware. Ready interrupt. BMS IFC. How cool is this? This is just incredible. And a regular old household outlet inside. All sorts of boards and chips in here. Is it front wheel or rear wheel?
Rear wheel drive.
And single motor?
Yeah, on
cool.
the transmission.
Okay, right on. So how much did this kit cost?
Well, it's not a kit per se. It's a collection of parts.
Okay.
I bought from Duke's Garage in Westminster.
Okay.
It was about $20,000 by the time you get everything.
Not too bad for a fully electric vehicle.
The battery pack was battery cells, it's about 7,300.
Okay.
That's the most expensive item by far.
For sure, for sure.
Motor and controller were probably next.
About how long did it take you to build this?
About 9 months.
9 months, and you owned this car previously?
Yeah,
and
I bought it in 2001 as a gas car.
Okay, about how much range do you get out of it then?
I did a 100-mile trip right after I converted it.
100-mile trip,
But
okay.
I'd have to hyper mile to do that now.
Right, right.
I've lost, definitely losing capacity.
So how long has it been an electric vehicle?
Since 2009.
Okay. Wow, so you're looking at 10 years now.
Yep.
So it looks like you're plugged into 110 right now. How long does it take to charge?
Let's see, it's 115.5 right now. It's been up and down.
Okay.
14.54 amps.
Okay.
If I go above 15, this thing starts beeping.
That's not too bad at all.
Let's see, I put 6.33 kilowatt hours in it so far.
Okay. And you've been here all day? Or 5 hours?
9 minutes, yeah.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Well, this is just one of the coolest projects I've seen. You've even got it on your shirt there. How cool is that? Dump the pump, hug the plug.
Yeah,
That's awesome. So, yep.
Windshield wiper. The
Cool.
BMS also uses the 12 volts. Also my relay. They intended to be able to run inside of a closed space.
Okay, so it's just trying to dissipate as
Every
much
12
heat.
cells they have on negatives, and that allows you to put extra wires in between groups of cells as you need to. So
Okay.
I have 2 rows of cells and then I have a long cable between the front and the back.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for talking to me about this. I
Thanks.
appreciate it. We just made it back home from the event at Golden Real Estate down in Golden, Colorado. It was absolutely awesome. Like I said, we showed up a bit late, so everybody that was there was not there prior. Wow, that was a bad sentence. Anyways, there were more people there earlier. I'm going to point you towards the people who hosted this event, their channel. They have a good video of before I got there and a lot of really cool cars like a Jaguar I-Pace and a couple others. So shout out to Golden Real Estate. Thank you for hosting this awesome event. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of it and to just come out and check out all of these cars. It was an awesome event. I was super happy to go. A lot of really cool people, especially that Porsche 914 that had been converted over to an EV. That was probably one of the coolest things I've ever seen. So met some subscribers there as well, which is absolutely awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different than usual, but if you did, please make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below. As always, I have a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next video.